You and me, we're locked at home right now. And this is a very difficult time for photographers, videographers, and let's be honest, for anybody under the sun. But if you're currently in the mindset there's nothing that you can shoot right now during lockdown, think again, because right behind that door there is endless creativity if you know where to look for it. So don't just take my word for it. Let me show you today what you could be doing from home during the lockdown. Now here's the crazy thing. Everything you just saw was actually shot on a cell phone. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can shoot with any phone, but today is actually a video that's been sponsored by Xiaomi with their new beautiful Mi 10 Pro and a 108 megapixel camera, plus the ability to shoot 8K, plus 960 frames per second slow motion. The list kind of just keeps going on, but it's not just about the camera, it's also about what you do with your environment. And that's where it's all about creativity. For our first shoot, we are going to be telling the story of an angel that was kicked out of heaven and sent to this living room. By putting together these cotton balls, we were able to give the look of a cloud on the ground, and then we actually took some other clumps, put them together, taped them to some fishing line, and then taped the fishing line to the back wall. This is one of my favorite ones yet. So what you're gonna need is a laptop or a TV, something where you could run a colorful and moving backdrop. Once again, we're gonna use this glass here from the picture frame. On top, we've placed our subject, and it's going to create a mirror-like effect if you put something that's black underneath it. So that's the key. You're gonna need either black construction paper or in our case, a box. And then from there, but another cool thing is that I'm able to do this in 120 frames per second. So that slow motion looks super nice, especially when paired with this, a $35 smoke machine. Now I will say there is another cheaper solution because you probably already own an iron. This is a stay-home videography challenge, but we've come out to the backyard and Kathy here has a beautiful $10 or $15 curtain. And now it's time to get creative with it. So this one right here was Kathy's idea, or she got inspo from like Pinterest or something. Okay.
Every single Instagram or TikToker is like that.
Well, it is so beautiful. Wow. Sometimes the simplest things in life can be the best. This has to be my favorite shot yet. We've got the glass on top of the box, in front of the computer with the rail. I've taped my hands to this little board here. And of course, we got the Mi 10 Pro recording on a tripod. But the best part is, with a pair of steady hands, my brother, our pyrotechnic, has been shooting WD-40 with a lighter. Don't try this at home. We are trained professionals. One of my favorite shots has not been with the Mi 10 Pro, but of it. I just put it on some fishing line here, put it in front of a background that was on YouTube, and I let it suspend there, and it looks insane. Like this could be the promo ad, the way the light just beautifully touches it in certain places as it starts to rotate. For this next trick, you're gonna need some glitter, and afterwards you're gonna need a vacuum. But the shot should be worth it. I've seen it on TikTok. It's got me pretty inspired right now. Here we go. Next shot is this one right here. We're getting nice and cozy, very romantic, with some $15 portable fairy lights. This shot right here is one of my favorites. Now what we've done here that's super unique with this phone, the Mi 10 Pro actually has a macro lens. So we're able to get this glass no more than ½ an inch away, and that's how we get so close up, and that is how you get unbelievable results.
We're gonna pour some milk in the water to make it look more interesting.
More milky. There's the expectations. And here's the reality.